Sometimes there could be a little bit of sensationalism in the title of my videos, but I'm very purposeful and even committed to the actual content within the video being more on the conservative side, on the realistic side, on the unemotional, data-driven side. And if you watch my videos, you know that. I like to have a little bit of fun with the titles, but at the same time, the context of the titles really does apply to the content within the video. This title of this video, the Cardano chart that could change your life, is actually based off of this video I did in February 2020 in relation to Bitcoin, the Bitcoin chart that could change your life. And I want to talk about what this statement means, because back then doing this video, it kind of changed my life to a certain degree. And I want to talk more about how that applies to Cardano. So please, everybody, hit the subscribe, hit the like, turn notifications on. Just having some fun with this, having some fun tracking the crypto journey, getting really excited as we prepare for Bitcoin halving, what's going on in Cardano ecosystem. Let's dive into the video. This is Cardano zoomed out. That's a picture of it. I want to start, for true context to what we're about to talk about, with a clip from the Bitcoin video, the Bitcoin chart that could change your life. This is 2020 in February. Check it out. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter at all. This is what matters. This is the chart that matters. This is the chart to prepare for. If you want to prepare for your future, and if you want to play that speculative game, if you have money that you can afford to lose, because this is risky, right? And if you're not taking financial advice from YouTubers, I want to throw that out there. I'll throw that out again. Don't take financial advice from YouTubers. Again, this is just me tracking the journey. This is me tracking the data over the years. I'm having some fun with it, everybody, and this is getting excited, but this is what I'm seeing as it relates to Cardano. When I did this Bitcoin video, it was pre-halving. You can see on the chart, pre-halving 2020, February. I would say that it played out pretty well, right? Pre-halving, February 2020, right around here. It played out really well in terms of what we were anticipating. Check that out. Now, the same goes for Cardano, pre-bull market last cycle, in terms of what we were anticipating. Check this clip out. This is from July 2020. Can be trading in the $3, $4 range, and that's an $86 billion market cap. So we're talking about an $86 billion market cap. Those are some crazy gains, a $3 Cardano. From where? Crazy gains, talking about a $3 Cardano all the way back then. If we go to the daily chart, I did the video back here. So this was post Bitcoin halving, and we were right around 10 cents. And in fact, ADA did go to $3. Now, I want to be very upfront. I did another video talking about the potential for like a $5.99 Cardano. Obviously, that didn't happen. But the data we were using for any scenario really was based off of the realistic potential of a $93 billion market cap for Cardano, or a $100 billion market cap, or in that range, based off of Ethereum data. Because this is kind of the general premise, Cardano, and I think just more secure, more sound, more decentralized. Cardano is like a cycle behind Ethereum, and it played out so well. Well, right now we have Cardano going into the next bull cycle, going into this halving, the next bull cycle, mimicking, again, one cycle behind Ethereum. This means this is Cardano's first DeFi bull run, with all this brand new ecosystem, which is on Cardano right now. And Ethereum had it last time, and Ethereum reached over $500 billion market cap. So speculatively, to anticipate a $400 billion market cap even for Cardano is realistic. It's $11 ADA. Besides just throwing numbers, because I did a video on this probably a few weeks ago or so, besides just throwing those numbers though, I'm trying to just, in the most simple way possible, and I'm not trying to sell anybody, this is, again, me tracking my view of these markets. Cardano has me exceptionally excited because of all of this potential. Look how it played out last time. You see me tracking this. I've been tracking this for years, right? For Bitcoin, for Cardano, for crypto markets in general. It's been playing out. I don't know if it's going to play out again, but what I can say is this could be, once again, life-changing. And for me, if I can manage my risk reward, and if I can manage my own risk tolerance and how exposed to the markets I want to be and feel comfortable with my position going into the next cycle, that's my goal, right? And for you, you have to sit back and really, truly figure out your own goal and your own approach. Don't listen to YouTubers. I'm just trying to document the data. I'm excited about this. This is fun for me to track this and track it with all of you out there, because I know there's a lot of ADA holders. Now, here's the thing. I just tweeted a little bit ago, again, kind of hypey, but it just, everything I'm talking about now, you get it, right? I said, y'all don't realize how big the Cardano pump is going to be. And part of that for me is stemming from, we're seeing other cryptos right now. If I go back to the daily chart, kind of just zoom in, just go to something like AVAX. Check out AVAX, just to the upside, right? Outperforming Cardano in the shorter term. But these types of pumps get me excited for altcoins in general. For Cardano in particular, with this multi-year story we've been talking about, and I want to bring something up. In July 2020, when I did this video talking about a $3 ADA, if we go back to the daily chart, look at this. This is where it becomes crazy. Back then, in July of 2020, when I did the video, all the way back here, check this out. We didn't even, let me move over. We didn't even have Shelley. We didn't even have Shelley. That's Cardano's consensus mechanism. That's staking on ADA. We didn't even have it yet. We didn't even have the multi-asset ledger. Right now, I'm about to show you all of the Cardano native tokens and interacting with them, Cardano altcoins. We didn't even have the multi-asset ledger in place. Didn't even have Alonzo and the smart contract platform, which started at the beginning of the last bear market. This is where we are right now. We have all of those things in place. And what's going to happen in the Cardano ecosystem is going to be explosive. And there's already hints of it. We've talked about TVL rising on ADA compared to other blockchains. It's not happening in similar sense. I just tweeted this a little bit ago, and this is where things become like realistic. This is where things become real. I said, I just used Dex Hunter with Tap Tools. And by the way, this isn't sponsored by Dex Tools or Dex Hunter or Tap Tools. It's not sponsored by either one. Although I'm still looking for an official CCV sponsor. I'm just going to throw that out there. But I said, are you kidding me? Chart and trade Cardano altcoins in seconds in one place on Cardano. I don't know if you've been watching my content in relation to Cardano ecosystem, but before any of this came into place, this is the kind of thing we were talking about. Man, imagine when there's Cardano altcoins, and like imagine just being able to accumulate Cardano altcoins. What's that going to be like? What's that going to look like? This is everything we've imagined for years, and it's even better than anticipated. The incoming bull market is going to be insane. This is opportunity. And I put a snapshot of Tap Tools. Here's Tap Tools. Here's the homepage. This is the ecosystem now. I think back, doing a video all the way back here, and look at that studio with that neon sign in the background. I think back, this is July 2020, doing this video. ADA is at like 12 cents. I said 10 cents. It's 12 cents when I'm doing that video. And there was nothing. None of this was here. Now, go back to the Bitcoin chart, pre-halving, pre-next bull market. It's all in place. And look at all these Cardano altcoins. Move over a little bit so you can see. Look at this. Look at all these Cardano altcoins. It's crazy. And there's so much speculation, right? There's so much we don't know about all of these things. But you can literally go, open up one of the altcoins, untap Tools, and just connect your wallet. You see my wallet's not connected. And you can just trade, powered by Dex Hunter. You can just accumulate. It just doesn't get any better. And the interface, I've used Dex Tools, which is Ethereum's version of this, over the years. And the flow, the feel, this is next level, everybody. Cardano is just undervalued in my view. And I think much of the Cardano space or crypto space is not realizing what is here. I don't think there's a lot of the space that's so busy with just spreading negativity about Cardano. They don't actually realize, dude, Cardano actually has like everything something like Ethereum has, but better. And there's so much more innovation happening here in a way more secure and decentralized way. This is bullish, everybody, for me, the way that I see this. And we talk about charts in the zoomed in. There's room to the downside right now. We've had a nice few weeks to the upside. We're at resistance. We're pre-halving though, everybody. It's going to be volatile, whether we're up higher and then down, whether we're just down now. It's just going to be volatile. My view is over here, post-halving, post-Bitcoin halving, where the real bull market, I think, is for all of crypto. That's where my view is. But right now, what's happening in Cardano is absolutely insane to me. I think the next bull market's going to be insane. And I just want to do a very simple video explaining that within 10 minutes to just put that out there. This is why I track Cardano. It's why it's one of my faves in the crypto space, everybody. But we also track Bitcoin. We track other altcoins. We track what's going on in crypto in general. It's definitely all important, but this is what I'm seeing as it relates to Cardano. Let me know your thoughts, everybody. I appreciate you cruising through. I hope you're having a good weekend so far. Hit the subscribe, hit the like. I'll see you next video. God bless.